Have you ever wished for an AI system that could truly immerse you in a virtual experience? Meta's latest model, ImageBind, might just make that a reality. Imagine being able to step into a completely different world, feeling the movement and temperature changes as if they were real. That's the promise of Meta's new AI model, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. The name of the model is ImageBind, and it has the potential to change the world as we know it. While the model is currently just a research project with no immediate practical applications, it shows the direction that generative AI is heading in. So, what is ImageBind, and what makes it so special? Well, the core concept of the research is linking together multiple types of data into a single multidimensional index or embedding space. Unlike previous AI models that only link together text and images during the training stage, ImageBind combines 6 types of data into a single embedding space. These include visual, thermal, text, audio, depth information, and movement readings generated by an inertial measuring unit. The possibilities of this technology are immense. Imagine a virtual reality device that not only generates audio and visual input, but also your environment and movement on a physical stage. You could ask it to emulate a long sea voyage, and it would not only place you on a ship, with the noise of the waves in the background, but also the rocking of the deck under your feet and the cool breeze of the ocean air. The implications of this research are enormous. AI image generators like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney already rely on systems that link together text and images during the training stage. They look for patterns in visual data while connecting that information to descriptions of the images. That's what enables these systems to generate pictures that follow users' text inputs. The same is true of many AI tools that generate video or audio in the same way. Meta says that its model, ImageBind, is the first to combine 6 types of data into a single embedding space. And the best part, it's open source, meaning anyone can use it to develop their own applications and tools. It's worth noting that this isn't Meta's first foray into open source AI. Their latest language model, Llama, was also open sourced, although it leaked online earlier this year. Meta's lack of commercial achievement in AI has enabled this approach, and it's exciting to see where it will lead. While ImageBind is currently just a research project, it's easy to see the potential it holds for the future of generative AI. Meta's open source approach may be the key to unlocking the full potential of this technology, and it will be interesting to see how other companies respond. What do you think of Meta's latest AI model? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.